You must always remember this. You are your first love. So don't wait for anyone who will come up and say, I love you. Then ucinga uba yeyona nto ibhetele leyo enokuthethwa ngumntu. In this life, you know, almost all of us sinamanxeba nezibhobo zabantu ebebethe I love you. And the next thing abasithanda ngendlela esifuna ngayo. So that's why I'm saying you are your first love. Don't ever come the second esiqwini sakho, because you will end up usenza izinto ezibubudenge but saying ndenziwa luthando. But if sewuphakathi kobobudenge, take a step back, uyokuhlala phansi nawe to look over who you wanna be. Shiya lento because awuzalwa nayo kakade. Love resides within you. Lento iluthando uyinikiwe nguThixo eyoba zithande wena kuqala. Why wait for someone to come and say umhle, then I love you? Nawe utsalwe yilonto uchipho lohlobo. You umuntu lo kaThixo uyadura because wathengwa ngexabiso. Otherwise, if you don't think twice, yawulala ngenyembezi daily. Kanti uthando alukho selfish, thando aluzicingeli lodwa, thando alunamona, thando alufuni okugokwalo. Uyinikiwe lento eluthando. It's within you. It's not external. Never ever love anyone who doesn't deserve your love. Lastly, never love anyone more than you love yourself. It's a matter of principle. You ayingeke singaphela.